Here we're solving for the zeros of a function. We have a quadratic, f of x equals x squared minus 2x minus 48. Well, the zeros will be when your function is equal to 0. So the y value or the output is 0. So we'll start by setting the left side equal to 0. Then on the right side, we have a trinomial, so we can factor that. So we'd say what times what gives you x squared? In this case, it will be x times x. Then you'd think what times what gives you a negative? Well, one of them will be negative and one of them will be positive. Now, we need those numbers to multiply to make 48 and basically be 2 apart. They add up to a negative 2. So 48 has a lot of factors. It could be 4 and 12 or 2 and 24, but we want them to be 2 apart. So we're looking for 6 and 8. And then we have to decide which of those is positive and which is negative. Well, they add up to a negative 2. So that means the negative one should be the bigger number. So in this case, it's x minus 8 and x plus 6. So now we solve for when this is equal to 0. It's equal to 0 when one of the numbers you're multiplying is 0. So either x minus 8 is 0, which is true when x equals positive 8. So that's one of your zeros. And then x plus 6 is 0 when x equals negative 6. So that's your other 0. If you want to check if those zeros are correct, just plug them back into the original equation, and it should give you 0 as an output. It'd be 8 squared is 64, minus 2 times 8 is minus 16. 64 minus 16 would give you 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. Negative 6 squared is positive 36. Negative 2 times negative 6 is positive 12. So 36 plus 12 is positive 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. So both of them work.